Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to tell you how can we measure the temperature of the CPU of our laptop or of our desktop. Okay, and this software is very useful for us because it will let us know whether our CPU whether our computer is burning too hot or not. Also, okay, we can check the temperature. So to check the temperature of the computer CPU, first of all we need to download a software, and okay, I'm going to use this Google Chrome and search for temp. Okay, this is the name of the software. Okay, in the first link, okay, here you can download this, and after download you have to install it in your computer, and I have already downloaded it and installed in my system, hence I won't do that. Okay, since I have installed this, okay, here is the software, the program temp, and as I opened it, okay, here you can see the details of the CPU. The CPU has 2 cores, 4 threads, and the model of my processor CPU is Intel Core i5 6200U, and this is the 6th generation i5 CPU. There's a platform, frequency, PID revision, and the other informations about the CPU. And the main thing that we want to know is here. Okay, here's the temperature. Okay, since it has 2 cores, the temperature of these 2 cores are given here. This core 0 is we have 57 degrees centigrade, and core 1 is running currently in 61, 63 in this range, and the max and the minimum temperatures are given here. Okay, so hence in this way we can measure the temperature of the processor of our computer or laptop. It's quite easy. We just need to download this software, okay, temp, and it is very light software. It is about 10 MB, I guess. It's not so heavy. So this was for today. I hope you liked this video, and if so, please like and share this video, and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notifications of my updates. Thank you.